Microsoft Excel shortcut keys. General program shortcuts. 1. Ctrl+N, create a new workbook. 2. Ctrl+O, open an existing workbook. 3. Ctrl+S, save a workbook. 4. F12, open the Save As dialog box. 5. Ctrl+W, close a workbook. 6. Ctrl+F4, close Excel. 7. F4, repeat the last command or action. For example, if the last thing you typed in a cell is hello, or if you change the font color, clicking another cell and pressing F4 repeats that action in the new cell. 8. Shift+F11, insert a new worksheet. 9. Ctrl+Z, undo an action. 10. Ctrl+Y, redo an action. 11. Ctrl+F2, switch to print preview. 12. F1, open the help pane. 13. Alt+Q, go to the Tell me what you want to do box. 14. F7, check spelling. 15. F9, calculate all worksheets in all open workbooks. 16. Shift+F9, calculate active worksheets. 17. Alt or F10, turn key tips on or off. 18. Ctrl+F1, show or hide the ribbon. 19. Ctrl+Shift+U, expand or collapse the formula bar. 20. Ctrl+F9, minimize the workbook window. 21. F11, create a bar chart based on selected data, on a separate sheet. 22. Alt+F1, create an embedded bar chart based on select data, same sheet. 23. Ctrl+F, search in a spreadsheet, or use Find and Replace. 24. Alt+F, open the File tab menu. 25. Alt+H, go to the Home tab. 26. Alt+N, open the Insert tab. 27. Alt+P, go to the Page Layout tab. 28. Alt+M, go to the Formulas tab. 29. Alt+A, go to the Data tab. 30. Alt+R, go to the Review tab. 31. Alt+W, go to the View tab. 32. Alt+X, go to the Add-ins tab. 33. Alt+Y, go to the Help tab. 34. Ctrl+Tab, switch between open workbooks. 35. Shift+F3, insert a function. 36. Alt+F8, create, run, edit, or delete a macro. 37. Alt+F11, open the Microsoft Visual Basic for Applications Editor. Moving around in a worksheet or cell. 1. Left, right arrow, move one cell to the left or right. 2. Ctrl+Left, right arrow, move to the farthest cell left or right in the row. 3. Up-down arrow, move one cell up or down. 4. Ctrl+Up, down arrow, move to the top or bottom cell in the column. 5. Tab, go to the next cell. 6. Shift+Tab, go to the previous cell. 7. Ctrl+End, go to the most bottom right used cell. 8. F5, go to any cell by pressing F5 and typing the cell coordinate or cell name. 9. Home, go to the leftmost cell in the current row, or go to the beginning of the cell if editing a cell. 10. Ctrl+Home, move to the beginning of a worksheet. 11. Page up, down, move one screen up or down in a worksheet. 12. Alt+Page up, down, move one screen to the right or left in a worksheet. 13. Ctrl+Page up, down, move to the previous or next worksheet. Selecting cells. 1. Shift+Left, right arrow, extend the cell selection to the left or right. 2. Shift+Space, select the entire row. 3. Ctrl+Space, select the entire column. 4. Control plus Shift plus space, select the entire worksheet. Editing cells. 1. F2, edit a cell. 2. Shift plus F2, add or edit a cell comment. 3. Control plus X, cut contents of a cell, selected data, or selected cell range. 4. Control plus C or Control plus Insert, copy contents of a cell, selected data, or selected cell range. 5. Control plus V or Shift plus Insert, paste contents of a cell, selected data, or selected cell range. 6. Control plus Alt plus V, open the Paste Special dialog box. 7. Delete, remove the contents of a cell, selected data, or selected cell range. 8. Alt plus Enter, insert a hard return within a cell, while editing a cell. 9. F3, paste a cell name, if cells are named in the worksheet. 10. Alt plus H plus D plus C, delete column. 11. ESC, cancel an entry in a cell or the formula bar. 12. Enter, complete an entry in a cell or the formula bar. Formatting cells. 1. Control plus B, add or remove bold to the contents of a cell, selected data, or selected cell range. 2. Control plus I, add or remove italics to the contents of a cell, selected data, or selected cell range. 3. Control plus U, add or remove underline to the contents of a cell, selected data, or selected cell range. 4. Alt plus H, select a fill color. 5. Alt plus H plus B, add a border. 6. Control plus Shift plus N, apply outline border. 7. Control plus Shift plus underscore, underline, remove outline border. 8. Control plus 9, hide the selected rows. 9. Control plus O, hide the selected columns. 10. Control plus 1, open the Format Cells dialog box. 11. Control plus 5, apply or remove strike through. 12. Control plus Shift plus $, apply currency format. 13. Control plus Shift plus %, apply percent format.